Hi everybody, Professor Benalou with a look ahead at Unit 4. Lots of stuff going on this week. Very, very important week with assignment due dates. Firstly, on Friday, the 26th of July, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due. So please, like I said, the key to the 5.5 week semester is get things done early, turn it early. Don't let things snowball. I have already emailed you the template. Use the template as well as my grading criteria as a blueprint. And don't forget, watch those 2 videos that I put out regarding the Unit 4 discussion board assignment and listen to the live chats. We've been talking about it. Okay, and secondly, on the 26th, your Unit 4 determined knowledge is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So on the 26th, you have your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and you have your Unit 4 determined knowledge due the 26th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time as well. Tuesday, the 30th, another very important date. You have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And this is important to get in because after the 30th, your responses will not be accepted. So don't lose points for that. Get that in. Okay. And also on the 30th, you have your Unit 4 and telepath due. So get these assignments in, everybody. Feel free to contact me with absolutely any questions. And stay C2 strong. Have a great week. And like I said, there's no such thing as a silly question, just the one you do not ask. So ask me any questions that may creep up. Have a good week, everybody.